The Alienware 34 curved gaming might be the last gaming monitor you ever need to buy, it's that good. You're in the zone, crushing a difficult level in your favorite game, and suddenly, the world around you snaps back into focus. The graphics aren't just better than before, they're ridiculously better. That's what happens when you bring virtual worlds to life with WQHD quality on this 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor. Let me show you what I mean. This thing is built for immersion. Explore your game's vast, detailed landscapes with WQHD resolution and fluid, responsive visuals that make you feel like you're right there in the action. The curved design wraps around your field of vision, drawing you deeper into the game's world. But it's not just about looks, it's also about performance. With a smooth 180 Hz refresh rate, you get to experience games at lightning-fast speeds without any lag or stuttering. That means you can take on even the toughest challenges without breaking a sweat. Plus, with its 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, you'll feel every punch, kick, and bullet hit just like you're right there in the action. And don't even get me started on AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA AdaptiveSync technology. These features work together to eliminate screen tearing and ghosting, so your games look smoother and more stable than ever. You can game for hours on end without worrying about any of those annoying visual glitches. But here's the thing, it's not just about how it makes you feel, it's also about what it does for your eyes. The Alienware 34 curved gaming has a hardware-based low blue light solution that reduces eye strain while preserving color, so you can game without sacrificing your vision. No more dry, gritty eyes after hours of gaming. With this monitor, you'll be able to keep playing without any fatigue. I've been using this monitor for weeks now, and I can honestly say it's changed the way I game. I'm not just more immersed, I'm also more focused. The 34-inch ultra-wide screen gives me a huge field of view, making it feel like I'm in the game itself. And when I do finally take a break from gaming, I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. But what really gets me excited is how this monitor makes me feel about myself as a gamer. Owning an Alienware 34 curved gaming isn't just about playing games, it's about treating yourself to an experience that's tailored to your needs. It's about investing in something that will elevate your gaming sessions and take them to the next level. And let's talk about the specs. This monitor has a response time of 4 milliseconds, making it perfect for fast-paced games. The NVIDIA G-Sync technology ensures that you'll never have any screen tearing or ghosting issues again. And with its ergonomic design, you can adjust the height and tilt to fit your preferred gaming position. But what really sets this monitor apart is its durability. It's built to last, with a sturdy frame and high-quality materials that will withstand even the toughest gaming sessions. You don't have to worry about this monitor breaking down on you after just a few months of use. It's designed to keep up with your most intense gaming marathons. So what's holding you back? Click that link below to get your Alienware 34 curved gaming monitor today. It might be the last gaming monitor you ever need to buy. Trust me, once you experience the level of immersion and performance this monitor offers, you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything less.